What's up, everybody? Now, hopefully, everybody's having a great time. It's your boy Yashia Gaming. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, guys, go on YouTube and click that subscribe button right about now. And also, do turn on that post notification bell, okay? Yeah, so today, guys, I'm gonna teach you how you can remove on WordPress if your website you want to be your website. Let's say right now my website is Yashia Gaming, yashiagaming.com. But when I click on the, let's visit it. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you can see right now, the website is good. Okay, it's yashiagaming.com. All right, so now if I click this, it goes to this. See, it changes to Yashia Gaming /community/ and then the this. So this is called WordPress slug. Okay, it's the community, the forum, the blog. Okay, it's a WordPress slug. Yeah, so now how do I remove this WordPress slug? So I want my website, when someone clicks on the any of the things, I want it to be only like this. Okay, I want to remove this, the /community. There are many types of slugs, such as /blog, /forum, /community, and others. Okay, so how do we remove them? From WordPress? Okay, so when someone clicks on your post, how to make it like only your domain.com. Okay, example domain.com. Okay, so whatever your domain name is .com, and only this, not the community. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to fix that. Okay, so let's go. So you have to go into your you have to log in, of course, in your WP admin panel. Okay, and all you gotta do is to click settings, and here, as you can see, guys, in the general settings, you will see the site title. Okay, here's a tagline, and here's your WordPress address URL. Okay, and now here's a site address URL. So you're gonna remove that. Okay, just delete the community and scroll down. Okay, yeah, and just click save changes. Okay, once you've done that, and next you wanna go to permalinks. Okay, and here, guys, you wanna make sure that you have the same settings as I have. Okay, so you wanna select post name, and here also you wanna click post name. Okay, so if you click this category, let's say you wanna click category and then post name. Okay, so it's gonna categorize your links. Okay, so let's say someone visits your link, and let's say if they click on Netflix. Okay, so if you have categorized your the Netflix post under streaming or gaming, it's gonna be your domain name.com / the streaming or gaming categorization. Okay, categories, and then / the how to create Netflix, how to hack Netflix. Okay, yeah, so make sure that you uncheck all, you click this post name, and make sure there's only post name here. Okay, make sure that it is not set. If you click that, okay, let's see. Okay, it goes automatically on custom structure, so make sure that you select the post name. Okay, and here just click this yeah, save changes. Okay, and now guys, let's verify. Okay, so now let's verify. So I'm gonna go to my website, and here let's click this. Okay, and now as you can see, it only shows it only shows my domain name.com and only this one. Okay, it doesn't shows the community or blog or forum slugs anymore. Okay, so this is how we fix the WordPress slugs problems. Okay, so yeah guys, so if this tutorial has been helpful, I hope you find it helpful, and yeah, please subscribe. And yeah, here's my website guys. So here I have many categories. So if you go into the configs categories, and here you will find all the latest configs. And if you go to the cracking tools, here you will find the latest Amazon and Disco Nitro gift card generator and checker. Okay, and giveaways. Yeah, I'm gonna post more Netflix accounts from time to time. Okay, and here under register or login. Okay, so if you're not a member yet, all you're gonna do is to click register, and here you wanna enter your username and your email address, and simply click register. Okay, and if you already registered, then click login. And also guys, please like my Facebook page here. Okay, so just click the like button. Okay, make sure that you like my Facebook. You can also check out my Facebook page also, which is a great website on Facebook, as you can see. Yeah, so again guys, thanks for watching. It's Yashvi Gaming, and I'm signing out. Peace.